Everyone, and welcome to the third tutorial on MongoDB series. In this video, we will be learning how to query the document. First of all, I am going to insert multiple rows, which can be inserted by insert many function. And in the parameter, you just have to pass a JavaScript array, an array of objects. So for example, my record will be something like this. Another object, and third object. So the three rows has been inserted. I can check it by db.users.find and it will return all rows. The first thing I'm going to do is to check the equal to operator. For example, in MySQL, you will do something like this. So if I want to do it, I just do db.mycollectionname.find and I just passed the object parameter in the find function. So I will do age, the key, and the value will be, let's say, 29. So the 29 record will be returned. Similarly, in less than, for example, if you want to do something like this, you can do it by db.users.find and the same object. First, you have to tell the key. For example, I am applying query on key age, and then instead of writing this, I'm just going to add another object and pass the key $LT, which stands for less than, and I just have to tell its value. For example, 30. So it will record all records where age is less than 30. Similarly, I can do this for 29, and you can see it returns all the record less than 29. So if you want to do something like less than and equal to 30, you can do it simply by just adding e, which stands for less than and equal to 29. Same is the case for greater than. You can use GT and it will return all record, and GTE, greater than and equal to. Similarly, you can do and an or clause. For example, if you want to do something like where age is equal to 31 and name is equal to Ahmed in MySQL, so you can do it in MongoDB by simply applying an AND operator. AND operator will receive an array of object. The first will be, for example, I want to get the name where name is equal to Ahmed, name Ahmed, and the second object in AND operator will be age 31. Now same is the case. For example, if I apply it on Ali, it will return an empty record, but I can do it on OR operator and it will return two records. It will return the record where name is Ali or where the age is 21. That's all for now. So let me know if you face any issue. Thanks.